Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco X3i headphones and I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own equalizer preset based on your ear shape. So at first we have to take our headphones on, the right one and the left one. And now we have to scroll down until we see golden sound. We have to tap on it. And here you will see the monitor to allow for recording using your microphone. You have to allow for it. Here you have to tap continue. And now we are scanning our ear canals. As you can see, our scan is completed. We have to tap continue. Now we have to drag the slider to a point where the beep has just disappeared and the first is left bud. I don't hear beeping. Here, next. Next. Here. 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 And now we have right earbud. As you can see, with this we can increase the volume level, and with this decrease. Next. 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 And here we have the last one, generate scheme. A sound boost scheme will be generated. Please confirm that you have completed all sound tests. Confirm. Test completed. Generating an audio enhancement solution. Here, as you can see, we have boost solution. We can click apply. Sound boost applied, as you can see. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.